The night of the crash was one of the most horrific nights of my life. The only thing I wanted to do was get home to my son that night. The crash itself, I can't even describe to you. I wish I could, but it leaves me speechless to think about. It was so scary. I broke my ankle, so I spent a long time not even able to walk. It was hard to get back to work because of that. My back, from my neck to my hips, everything. It has been a nightmare. I've got insurance bills, I've got medical bills. I still have bills from doctors coming to me. I've got bills from the emergency room coming to me. Lyle and his staff, they are just amazing people. From the moment I walked into that office, I felt like they would treat me like a human being, and that's exactly what they did. They didn't look at me as a case, they looked at me as a human with kids, with a life, a future, a world ahead of them that needed help, and that's what they took me under their wing. They were with me every step of the way. They kept me informed, they called me constantly. Lyle and his team of experts right away, and we were actually lucky that they did, in the timing that they did. Got all of the evidence videos. They were able to get video from the toll booth plaza, video from the body cam. They've got expert crash evidence. They put all of this together, and they put it together in this wonderful video for mediation and the HD clips. And this actually was a disputed liability case. They thought that I had run a red light, and I was positive that he had run the red light, and if it weren't for the evidence that we had gotten right away, that Lyle had gotten, we wouldn't have been able to prove the liability was not on me, was actually on the other side. I would absolutely say that the number that they offered me was not comparable to what my life is worth. What they were offering with what they knew, it was inhuman. Through Lyle's hard work and dedication and just endless hours of work that he put into this case, he was able to settle it without us having to go to trial. He has changed the lives of my family and I in a positive way that we never would have expected, but I'm very, very grateful for everything that he has done for us. Lyle, he really went above and beyond and was a great representation. I feel like they're family.